guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we've been building a simple client onboarding workflow with Notion and some make.com automations. So what's the idea? The idea is we have a client onboarding database. So the company name is Johnny Johnson's Little Farm, and we have some information, an address. We have an hourly rate, the project scope, and then a formula which calculates our project volume. And if we now go to this automation and click run once, we activate it. And if we click here on create contract, we start the automation. What we can see now is that in make.com several things are happening. So a Google Docs document gets created, it downloads the document, it uploads a file to Drive, and adds updates the Notion database. And what we can see now is that we just got the contract link here. And if we open this contract link, so we can just click it here, it downloads the contract, and we see that from the inputs we have here, so like the address, the company name, but also the financial informations, this automation created automatically a contract as PDF. So we have the name of the parties, the company name, we have all of the financials, and again the address. And all of this right out of our Notion database. So all we have to do is click on create contract. So let's take a closer look on the automation. So what this does, it's a webhook. So the webhook is connected to this button create contract. The moment we click create contract, the webhook gets triggered, and all of those informations we have in the database are sent to make.com. It then sends those informations to Google Docs, where it creates a document from a template, and it downloads this document, uploads it to Google Drive as a PDF, and adds the link to the PDF to our Notion database. So yeah, I hope this video gave you a bit of an understanding so what's possible with Notion if you use tools like make.com. If you're interested in like a really detailed instructions and how you can build this one on your own with your own Notion account on make.com, check out our Patreon down below, where we posted a video where we explain this process more in detail. Thank you so much. Bye.